Hey guys, if you want to remove your payment method from the Apple iPhone, all you need to check is first of all verify your active subscriptions that you have. Okay, so go over setting and click over your profile. So check it out what subscriptions you have. Okay, so I'll go on subscriptions. So I do have multiple subscriptions, right? And I need to remove that. Okay, so I think the Apple Music I'm being charged for a monthly basis. Okay, so to get rid of it, click over there, and what I need to do is I'll cancel my subscriptions first. Okay, so cancel my subscription, confirm. Okay, and I'll just, you have already cancelled the subscriptions. Okay, done. I'll go back. Okay, and how about Geo 7? So I do want to cancel the subscriptions as well. Confirm. Okay, I think it's done. Go back and I'll just verify once again. I'll click on subscriptions. So I'll just verify again, and previously it was, and there was a check mark, right? And now it's done. I'll go back. I'll verify Apple Music as well. Well, I think this is even done, right? So now all I need to do is hold on. Okay, and this is even my first try. Okay, click on your profile first, and over this payment and shipping, click over here. Please make sure, like, if you have an active subscriptions, then you need to disable that first. You need to cancel that first. Okay, so I'll click my payment method on the top. Okay, now I'm gonna remove my payment method. I think it's not prompting anything. Okay, so alternatively what you can do, I think I can go to the Play App Store right now. I'm clicking on App Store. So you need to click on your profile first, right? And under your profile, so there is a more tab, right? That manage payment. Click over here. I'll click on my payment methods. I'll remove my payment method. It's prompting me which ending with blah 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 will be removed. Yes, I do want to remove it. And it's done, right? See, I don't have any active payment method over here. So that's how you need to do. Okay, and if you want to verify, what I'll do, I'll go on setting first. I'll click on my profile and payment and shipping over here. Previously it was my Visa card, right? If you'll be having your Master or Visa card, it will be displayed over here. So right now I don't have anything, so it's none. Okay, so I have successfully removed my payment method from an Apple iPhone. So I hope this was informative for you, and thank you so much for watching.